Hello Xellux, we are learning three things today. One, styling our data. 2, creating slicer. 3, filtering our data. So let's start from the one, styling our data. So I'll click anywhere in our data here, press Ctrl A to actually highlight the data. So after you do that, second thing you need to do is to create a table. How will you create a table? Just press Ctrl T. Then ensure you tick my table as others. So click OK. Yaxi, this is our table now. So I don't want to use this blue background here. I need to change the styling. Okay, I'll go on the design. Now let me scroll up. You see what I want to do now. So when I click on E, you can see that the table design is no longer here. So when I click on any of the cell in the table, you can see that our table design is here. Take note of that. So I'll click on it, then go under table style. I'll go inside more, then I'll leave light. I'm going to medium, for us to actually see our data very well. So I'll choose this. I'll click on it. So now we've already styled our table. What we need to do is to style our header, which is data filtering with Excel. I'll click on C2, click on it, and drag to the right. Okay, are you stubborn? Okay, you're not stubborn. Good boy. So we'll do that. So what you need to do is to go under style. Then you see says style. Click on it. Then you locate. Oh, we are actually using bright background. So let's use that. Ascent tree under title heading. So just click on it. Then you can bold it. Just click on B here or press Ctrl B to bold it. So either of the two. Now, since we are done with our styling, the next thing to do is to create our slicer to filter the data. So how will it do that? As usual, click anywhere in the cell, the table design appear. When I click outside the cell, table design doesn't appear. So let me just click anywhere. So table design appear. So click on the table design, then look at your left hand side of your screen. So you'll see insert slicer under 2. So click on it. Oh, you can see the pop up there. The dialog box pop up. Insert slicer. So what I want to filter here is the designation. Okay, all those kind of professionals and other portfolio there. So I'll click on designation here and click OK. So when I click OK, you can see that automatically style appear here, slicer appear here, and the button, if you want to actually adjust the button, also appear here on the right hand side. So I actually want to kind of adjust the button. I don't like it the way it is like this. I'll just prefer 3, just to be in 3 lane or 3 row. So let me expand it. Let me quickly expand it like this. Then you can see everything here. Then let me click a star here. We are using brown as usual, or gray. Or gray, yes, gray, no brown. Kind of stuff like that. So let me just drag it to the right hand side here. So let me place it here. So what should I want to create now? Let me create another slicer. So let me create another slicer for gender, because this is very important. We need more female in technology. Inclusivity, we need that. We need female in technology. Let them embrace it. Learn data analytics, business analytics, data and financial analytics, data science, Excel for finance and accounting. Xellux Technologies actually offering these courses. Now contact us and we give you the best. We give you the best. Yes, we give you the best. So let's see. Okay, I'll click anywhere in my data. Then I'll go to my table design, choose my insert slicer. Then I'll choose gender column. I'll click OK. Oh, our gender is up here. So let me change it to 2 column. It's more fit in this scenario. I would actually adjust it. Then I'll change my slicer style. Then I'll also drag it to the right and put it under the big brother slicer. So come here, come and meet your brother. Your big brother is there. So let's filter our data. Before we filter our data, let me reduce this so they can see it very well. Okay, are we seeing it very well? No. Beautiful. You can see it very well now. So let's filter our data. Let's start from delivery boy. How many in this company? It's only one delivery boy. They have this tech company. Just an errand boy. So let's go to next. HR1, office admin 1, senior developer, they are about 3 here. Developer, they are about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What about junior accountant is 1. Peon 1. Graphic designer, 1, 2, 3, 4, about 5, 2. Manager is about 1. Then senior accountant is also 1. So you can see the way we filter the data to see each column as related to their department, location, employment, and the rest of it. So I'll click here to deselect everything. I say I want to start all over again. Let's see the female inclusivity. We need them in technology. So I'll click on male. Wow, we have about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. In this particular company, 15 male. Okay, let's see our female. Oh dear. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just 5. We need female to embrace technology. You understand? Learn data analytics, another technology, digital products. You understand? So that's about that. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel, like, share, and we still have more to give you. Remain blessed, light earth.